happy Sunday. Nisha is doing some cooking.
Don't make it seem like I don't cook.
But Nisha burned up the peas this morning.
No.
You joke.
Ziggy, burn up
We
the
both.
peas.
So they say it's again steam beef. Man. What's it? Stew beef. Yeah. She went to work, came back, and here chefing up some food and stuff.
Shout out to S Bumper for seeing me. Shout out to you, girl.
What's her name?
S Bumper. That's her
Shit. S Bumper.
Yeah. Super Bumper. She said.
Oh. I see.
Shout out to her for checking me and Ziggy yesterday. She's so sweet and so chill, and she's from Toronto, and I'm in Jamaica. And she found me and came to me, and she found my mom. Shout out to you, girl. And congratulations.
Okay, you want to see me in the Ray-Bans? And it's raining, like raining. Huh?
We needed some rain.
You want rain?
Yeah? It's too humid and hot.
Today I don't even feel like Sunday, yo.
There was a bike show, but we don't even know if we're going.
Of course, my brother.
Last bike show I went to, I got sick.
Yeah. Anisha is always sick.
I know.
And then you talk about me.
When I'm sick, you notice when I'm sick, you're sick, I'm sick.
I wish probably I was pretty.
When they had the so I got my hair did.
Huh?
It was here when you had the stick.
Which thing?
The
Oh yeah, bro. For real. So what you do?
put some potato in it.
Huh?
Put some potato, thicken up the gravy. I don't really want to add ketchup to it.
Yeah.
So I don't really want to add ketchup. It has like a nice taste. So.
But the amount of water we have put in it, now take away.
No. I'm only putting a little because it dries down.
You must have plastic this one.
We're gonna cut that out.
I'm saying you're supposed to do that.
Why?
Live. Sorry.
No.
Watch it.
No.
Oh, bro. So
Then
I
we just
leave
put
her
up the
now.
rice and peas and
Oh, yo, I swear, yo, it's for me to say, yo.
Yo.
The peas,
Yo.
the peas, yo. Yo. Are you cause what?
Ziggy
You should
burned up
have
the
tell me,
peas.
say, yo, cause you come around here last, you know.
But I was cleaning the room.
But you come around here, so you should have smell the peas. So you should put up the peas on the
Women
side.
always
Like,
get blamed for anything, even when it's the men's fault. We get blamed.
that's not true.
That is true.
That's not true. But we burnt the peas, so we can't cook
We?
the raw and peas.
Rasa.
We can't bother cook the raw and peas. But yeah, it's a good day though. It's nice. Even though it's raining, but it's good. We're just here though.
Ziggy. Zigzag.
So we're gonna say bye for now, but look now.
Chip chop. See you upon the flip flop.
Yo, yeah, talk about yo.
You're supposed to where you get that one from.
What? So yeah, this.
Cause you know what? So we're out in Falmouth right now getting some stuff for the party. Sasha. So loud. I don't know what they're doing in the town. I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. The talent show. Looks like it's like a talent
So Nisha doesn't want to wash her hair. Can you guys believe that? Why?
Stop lying.
Why? Why?
Yo.
It's so hot. So where you go? Hmm?
I'm not walking up the road.
I drop
Oh.
you off there. She's trying to act like she's since
Your hands are clean, you're touching up my face.
Of course.
I washed my face this morning.
I wash my face too.
No, you didn't. You didn't wash your face. No, you just washed it. Look, my finger's gonna keep going in the way. I don't even know where to look.
over that side of it.
How?
With this on it.
We need to walk on the next side then. Look how awkward this is. Awkward. You see how awkward that is? Ziggy look like a real yard boy. Yachty. But anyways, we're about to go record a video. Would you rather tag? Stop. We're about to record the Would You Rather tag video. And we're gonna do a Q&A. I don't even know where the hell to look. We're gonna do a Q&A video.
See that coming.
Huh? You're so annoying, man. Ah, boy. It's a calm day today in the ghetto. This guy's so weird. Tell me if I'm gonna drop. This game is called Trust. I know you would purposely make me drop. That's the funny thing.
I'll make you walk over yourself. I go walk. Take them. David, ugly dolly.
What?
Ugly dolly.
You want a biscuit?
And your ear go pick on like
What kind
the
of
ugly
biscuits?
dolly.
Sash. Sasha. Come to the biscuit. Come to the biscuit.
See scissors.
Oh, yes, here.
I'm a face, not favor for your face.
Good.
Sash, say hi to your fans. You have fans on YouTube. Say hi.
No.
You do. They love you for real. Just say hi now.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Sasha Shay.
No.
I eat.
Yeah, no, I'm in
I
it.
poop under the sheet.
No, you poop on that sheet every night when I got watch.
She done good.
I.
They show you see how they do it.
We're gonna do it on the
You have
stairs.
this.
Now I'm at my sister-in-law, Ziggy's sister, soccer game in Kingston, Spanish town. It's so hot. I'm trying to find shade. There's like no shade. The car is open or locked? Probably locked, right? Sun is beaming. Look at that, no clothes on. I was looking for her and I didn't see her.
Climbing. Fence can't climb.
Yo, this field is huge, you know. Are they running this way or this way?
You can't wait. If them they run which way? No, so them are go.
This way, right? Holy. It's a big ass field. And his man here still. Hello.
Hey, I'm Nisha's mom.
Every time I pull out the camera to vlog you, you always say that?
I am Nisha's mom. She got a pretty nice hair.
We're at the beach right now. Cooling out. It's raining. I don't even know where to look every time I vlog with this camera.
Look in your mother eyes. That's where you need to look. Tell her, you followers, mom is the best. She's my big baby.
So we're just here chilling, but it's like raining and it's so cold. And Ziggy is nice. Ziggy look like he's not in the vlogging. They're not in the vlogging mood, are you? So you want to get some water to wash it off?
No.
She wants me to buy her floaty. No, not yet. But we're leaving soon, so there's no point.
Look, I can float backwards. Look.
Okay, I was teaching her how to float, guys. But you can't float here. Yeah, good girl.
And I can't even take. Let me tell you.
Good girl. Good girl.
And then I use this so I can float forward so I can swim properly.
Show them how you swim. Swim on your stomach. Swim on your stomach.
I'm coming. I'm going down there. Ready?
Good girl. Are you not scared no more?
No, not really.
She's so cute. Oh my god. I'm taking you home with me, yeah? I'm gonna bring you home with me.
Okay.
And you can have as much American apple as you want.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you. For real?
Yeah.
Yay.
Or next time I come down, I'll bring you some apples, okay?
Okay. I'm coming with you home.
Where's Dante them?
They're gone down there. Why do I have to care about them? They keep on troubling me. They keep on dragging my foot.
And I'm here looking for you. But you better mind you drop that in the water. What, you want pictures? You want pictures? She's out here trying to take picture and cock her bumper.
And I have none. I have none. So now you can see why Nisha don't have any bum, because her mom doesn't have any. But
Not
she
my fault,
claims
though.
that she has
But it's
some.
not my fault.
So you guys be the judge of that.
But I'm proud of
okay?
my body though.
Oh,
Shout out
she
to
is.
the
She's a
itty bitty booty crew. Out here representing for y'all. Look like it's gonna rain or storm. But yeah, we're at the beach. Even though it looked like it's about to like rain back there, it looks like it's about to storm. My skin's itching and my skin's burning and itching. I think it's like my eczema. It sucks. I had to come out the water.